Gusto niyo ba matarget ang inyong glutes or ang inyong booty muscles? For today's video, i-share ko sa inyo ilang exercises na pwede nyo gawin kahit nasa bahay lang. Kailangan natin ng hip band. Kung wala kayong hip band sa bahay, huwag kayong mag-alala. Pwede nyo itong gawin ng body weight lang. Pero kung may hip band kayo, mas maganda for more tension at para mas ma-focus natin ang ating glute muscles. On the floor, for our first exercise, ang ating kickback or ang ating donkey kick. Hindi nasasayad ang inyong tuhod sa floor. 2. Control ang inyong body movement. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Another 10 small pulses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ulitin nyo lang to ng 3 beses sa magkabilang leg. Next natin ang ating fire hydrant para sa ating hips at ganoon na rin sa ating glutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Ulitin nyo rin to ng 3 beses sa bawat leg. Next natin ang ating glute bridge. Ang paa about 90-degree angle. Kunin lahat ng weight from your heels when you go up. And then stretch out yung hip band when you go up. And squeeze your glutes. Hold for 2 seconds. Dahan-dahan i-release. Hindi nasasayad ang inyong butt sa floor. And squeeze. 3, 4. Stretch out ang hip band when you go up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Hold for 10 seconds and stretch out ang hip band for 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Coach LV. I'll see you in my next one.